Hi, my name is Justin Latimer and I'm playing Medieval 2 Total War. I'm going to show you a multiplayer replay from a battle I fought recently. I'll start with my oldest one. In this particular battle I'm playing as the Russians against the Spanish. It's the river crossing map, which I didn't realize at the time might not be a good battle. You see, the problem with the river crossing map is nobody really wants to cross that right away. But that's what I picked. Anyhow, my opponent wanted to have a lot of money, so I obliged him, and I gave my units quite an experience bonus. I have Cossack musketeers, Devore archers, pretty regular spearmen. The Berdach axemen would actually prove to be very useful here. I also have woodsmen. I was able to get 2 basilisk. And the river crossing here, I have 2 really nice hills that I can use to overlook this river crossing. I also have Boyar Son cavalry, as well as Devore out here. Devore are very good cavalry, both for hand-to-hand and for missiles. And of course, Boyar Sons have javelins which penetrate armor. Regular dismounted Boyar Son infantry. I brought a lot of axes. Alright, and the battle has started. My Spanish opponent over here, interestingly enough, only spoke Spanish. And I figured out really early that he didn't take me too long to find out he didn't like that I brought 2 cannon. Because he was calling me a nasty word in Spanish with cannon, and I understood that much. I decided to attack right away because I realized he wasn't going to move. So I sent in my woodsman first. It makes sense. Axes are a good shock troop weapon. I have them in loose formation to avoid casualties, but I'm still getting them. If I recall, their morale wasn't very good. Musketeers here are gunning me down as I come up. And they broke. But I have more troops coming, and these are the Berdach axemen. Isn't it glorious? I really like playing as Russia. I think they have unique armor, they have unique troops. I like the area and the campaign map as well. And safe ground. I prefer cavalry actually, but the Russian infantry it's good. It's all about how you use it anyways. And they're wavering. I'm actually able to fight some infantry. And then they break. Against spear militia. And here are my spearmen, along with my Boyar Sons. My cavalry should be coming. the cavalry, there's really no way I can win. He intercepts with this unit of spear militia. They're just going to be torn apart. My spearmen are a lot better. They're equivalent to armored sergeants that France and Germany get. And my boyar sons are, of course, tearing these guys apart. Over here, some of my Bear Dash axemen. Nope, woodsmen. Have dismounted conquistadors. I just marched my spearmen up to let them be defensive. I did the same thing with the boyar sons because I figured anything he counters with, I'm just gonna get into a melee with. Boyar sons are chucking javelins into here.
Our men are under attack. We need to act.
It's pretty close right now, 20 and 21. I marched the cavalry out here, my Devore, go to melee and take apart these musketeers, but I figured I'd just let them shoot. And that's the end of this replay. And that is not because my opponent rage quit. What happened is our connection wasn't good, and I didn't hear, his connection never got any better, so I just had to quit. But there wasn't really anything I could do. Other than that, though, I thought it was interesting just because it was difficult to cross the river, but now that I had, it looked like things were going pretty well. But it's hard to say. And that was it for me and Mario. Thanks for watching.